Hello everybody, this is a 1/2-inch SharkBite check valve. It is a genuine SharkBite, not a knockoff. And it got stuck in the open position, and so I've replaced it. Be sure to check out my other video that shows how you can remove a SharkBite fitting, which is by using an open-ended box wrench. This is the old one-way valve or check valve. And I wanted to see why it was jammed open. So I soaked it in some vinegar for a couple of hours, just hoping that whatever corrosion might be in there would release the spring, but that didn't happen. So I gently pushed down on the plunger and that freed it up. It seems to be working perfectly, but more importantly, I wanted to show you the debris that I was able to get out of it. It's these little particles here. Those particles were jammed into one of the little narrow openings of the check valve. The spring is still working. The valve actually is working perfectly right now again, so now I have a backup. But just wanted you to be able to see that if you have a SharkBite check valve seems to not be working properly and you have an emergency, rather than have to wait to go to the store and get a new valve, you might want to just try to pull the old valve off, clean it up, give it a little bit of help on one end from the plunger, and then flush it with vinegar or even CLR or some other cleaner. I'm actually quite surprised that there's any dirt at all inside this. The water heater is only 2 years old, and when I put the water heater on, I put new whole house water filtration system on. That filter is catching a lot of dirt. I'm amazed at how much dirt is in the public water supply. Also surprised to see that this kind of debris was inside the check valve. So well, that helps you a little bit if you're wondering what to do with a stuck check valve. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.